Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard that they are proud of. This was by far and away the biggest participation I've ever had in this. Really super surprising that I would have gotten that many photos in December. Thanks everybody for participating. If you sent in photos in the last couple days, I had already put the photos together. So anybody that sent them in the last couple days, they'll be in the February video. So don't be concerned about that. I do this video the first Sunday of every month. The other Sundays of every month, I do a question and answer video. If you'll ask gardening questions down below this one, I will be answering those next Sunday. A couple of these Sunday garden question and answer videos, I'm actually going to turn into live videos. So they'll be live streamed on the Sundays when I do it. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and then there's a little bell notification button next to the subscribe button. Hit that and make sure you're updated when I upload videos, because that's the only way you're going to find out when I start one of my live Q&A events. And you can join easily, and you can watch or you can type in a question. And I've been answering questions like that for 30 some years of my life, so I'm very comfortable in that format, and maybe we can get lots of questions answered, especially as we head towards spring. I'm going to try it. We'll see how it goes. If the live format is not as good as the recorded format, then we'll go back to the recorded format. Who cares? What else is happening? This yard is completely torn apart. If you follow me on Instagram, I have the whole back of the house torn off. It looks like I'm living tenement housing now, but construction materials are coming tomorrow. Reconstruction is going to start on the back of the house. So if you're following me on Instagram, you can follow that. I have piles of stuff here. You guys have seen the debris piles over there. Everything is utter chaos, but soon we'll be going back together. You'll find out more about that on Wednesday, because on every Wednesday of this entire year, I'm actually going to do an update video, if I'm here in the area, an update video on the progress for this yard. So we'll get a tour video that's a little different than what I would have done in the past, where I've done April garden tour video. I'm actually going to do a down and dirty, this is what changed in the last 7 days. This is what I'm working on. This is what I'm thinking about video. I plan on doing that on Wednesday. I've got kind of a layout of what I want to do this year on uploads. And on Mondays, you guys are going to see tour videos. And tomorrow is a camellia tour that I shot in the neighborhood from a house I had done a garden tour on many weeks back. He has like 50 different camellias. A lot of them were in flower. Unfortunately, I don't know all the names, and I don't want to guess the names on them. But they're beautiful. There's a few photos at the end of this video from that video from tomorrow. Tuesdays, I'm going to be putting up new plants, or just talking about a single plant. So rather than doing that sporadically here and there, that'll be on Tuesdays. On Thursdays, I'm doing composite videos where it'll be like 10 foundation plants for Zone 6, or 10 gold. I think this week will be 10 gold foliage plants for Zone 6. I think that's the one I have that I'm working on. Obviously Sunday will be Sunday subscriber and question and answer, but I have a layout, a complete layout for this year that I want to try to stick to, so you guys can, but there'll be lots of tour videos, and lots of tour videos of this place right here as well, where rather than shooting one little video for this little piece right here, I'm just going to shoot a video that shows you everything I did during that week to improve this place. And it might include some things on the inside or on the actual construction of this house, because right now that kind of dominates what I have going on. So anyway, enough words. Here are the Subscriber Sunday photos. If you're interested in sending in photos for this video, here's the email address right here. In the email, please just include something like Subscriber Sunday or subscriber photos, anything like that that allows me to see that that's what the photos are. Make sure you turn your phone sideways, or you're shoot in wide angle, because that's how YouTube shows us videos. Thanks for watching.